Alright, welcome to the TeslaSnek. Got my dad here. We just got FSD version 11, the full stack freeway driving. So, alright, so there it is. All the release notes, everything. Version 11.3.3. It's got the thicker line showing the trajectory. It seems like it can see a lot further ahead now than it used to. Alright, so now one of the new things is it shows these arrows on the line, these backward arrows, and it has, you saw that line there that disappeared that shows where you're going to stop, and now the lines are showing these blue arrows pointing forward, showing that we're accelerating. Yeah, the visualization looks more polished now. You don't have, it's not as colorful. You used to have like red borders for all the curves. They got rid of that, but it looks more grown up now. Oh, and I believe when you adjust this here, now it does this. Instead of following distance, it allows you to, by pressing this left and right, it allows you to adjust the how aggressive it is at like lane changes and stuff. Just let it go. I know we normally when we it's yielding. That guy. Okay, that was interesting. So this guy, I think we were supposed to yield. That guy's probably not very happy. The guy behind us, I think we were supposed to yield for him. The car saw that lady jogging. That's why it beeped. Guy behind us, I think we were supposed to yield for him. The car saw that lady jogging. That's why it beeped. I can see the cars that are crossing its path are blue, labels them blue, and the signal light, the relevant signal light, is blue as well. It labels cars and signal lights that are relevant to its path planning. It labels them blue. Alright, let's see how it handles this, if it's going to get over right away. Yep, it is. Made the lane change. It didn't freak out on that yellow light. Yeah, look at that. I think it's handling this better than it used to, isn't it? It's getting over sooner. Alright, turning onto the freeway. Alright, here we go. It's gonna be our first time seeing the FSD Beta on the freeway, the full stack. No more transitioning to the old version. FSD Beta all the way. You can see that truck there. Handled that fine. Merging over. Pickup truck. Yeah, pretty good so far. And then is this, what's this? Is this like a button? Oh, okay. Oh, that's neat. So you can, if you don't want it to change lanes often to get around slower traffic, like you can have it where it just kind of stays in the lane, or you can have it where it'll change lanes to try to keep you at your speed limit, at your set speed, to get around slower people, I guess. Alright, so we got our lunch. Ready to head back. And what do you think of it so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yep.
It seems a lot, the freeway driving seems a big improvement over the old version. It still doesn't back up for you. FSD Beta. I don't think it has the ability to reverse yet. It's something they will add eventually. But yeah, here we go. This is the big one. This is the one the old one used to always mess up on. So it would get confused here, and it would try to take the carpool lane going west when we want to go south. So let's see what it does. And it passed. Yeah, it did it perfectly. Right? Normally it would just get all confused, and then like you could tell it was like it would get really indecisive, and then it would like try to take the carpool lane going the opposite direction to the right. But this time it stayed in the right lane. No jitter, wasn't nervous at all, just confidently took it. So yeah, don't have to worry about that anymore. Parked car over there. Parked cars over there. Oh, green arrow. When I'm using autopilot in my car, coming down this hill, it'll get into this right-hand turn lane here, and I always have to disengage and make it go left instead. But the FSD Beta has always handled this okay. It's only the regular autopilot that doesn't. Yep. Yeah, so my car will go into that lane.